morning. Today we are having special students who've been placed with various companies. Firstly, I would like to congratulate them for their successful representation of the organization. We'll start with the candidates one by one. We'll seek the introductions and we'll definitely know the amount of efforts they have put in for the placements or the placement related activities. How have they succeeded finally? And how are they feeling now? And how was the journey related to the last 4 years in the college? So we'll start with Varisha first.
Good morning. My name is Varida Dubey and I am currently pursuing my Bachelor of Technology degree in Computer Science and Engineering from Institute of Technology and Management, GIDA, Gorakhpur. I have been placed in companies like Seco, Net2Source, which is a non-technical company, TCS and Wipro.
Good morning everyone. My name is Priyanka Gupta and I am pursuing BTech from Institute of Technology and Management, GIDA, from Computer Science and Engineering Department. I have been placed in Net2Source, which is a non-technical post that I have got there. It is called Associate Recruiter.
A very good morning to all. I am Aditi Agrawal. Currently I am pursuing my BTech from ITM GIDA, Gorakhpur, and I am specialized in Computer Science and Engineering Department. I am placed in companies like Seco, Mobileye Technologies and Amazon. In Amazon, I am recruited as in the position of Cloud Support Associate.
Good morning everyone. My name is Fateh Bahadur Singh, a computer science engineering student pursuing my BTech from Institute of Technology and Management, GIDA, Gorakhpur. I have been placed in Net2Source Consultancy as a position of Associate Recruiter at a package of 3.6 LPA.
Good morning, my name is Pallav Kumar Tripathi. I am pursuing my BTech from Institute of Technology and Management, GIDA, Gorakhpur. I am currently placed in Mobileye Technology and Wipro.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Sagar Gupta. I am pursuing my BTech in Computer Science Engineering from Institute of Technology and Management, GIDA. I have been placed in Mobileye and Tech Mahindra also.
I am Pallav Kumar Srivastav, student of Computer Science and Engineering. Currently, I am pursuing BTech from Institute of Technology, GIDA, Gorakhpur, and I am currently placed in Mobileye.
A very good morning. My name is Tanushri Sana, and I am currently pursuing BTech, specialized in Computer Science and Engineering Department, and I am currently placed in Capital Via Global Private Limited and Tech Mahindra for the post of Client Acquisition Manager.
Good morning everyone. I am Purnima Shukla. I am pursuing BTech from Computer Science and Engineering from Institute of Technology and Management, GIDA. I am placed in Seco, Net2Source, Tech Mahindra, TCS and Java Education.
A very good morning to everyone. I, Vartika Kushwaha, pursuing BTech from Institute of Technology and Management, specialized in computer science, and I am placed in Capital Y. Thank you.
Good. Congratulations to all of you once again. My question starts from Variza. Variza, how has been your journey? I mean, what do you have to say? I mean, like, what was the most peculiar moment?
Most peculiar moment for me was when I got placed. It was the first placement I ever attended, and before it was even before the companies before the placement started in college itself. So and the biggest negative point for me was that it was off campus. So that was very frightening for me because I alone have to go and represent the college and do something for myself. So that was the most peculiar moment.
Can we hear the same from Priyanka?
So my most peculiar moment was when I was granted the letter from the Vice President Vegan Vashi of Net2Source. At that time, I had tears in my eyes, and they have also noticed that thing because I was sitting among the students who were really very good better than me in academics. So that was really one thing that I got at that time, that yes, my communication skills are so good that yes, I was sitting with them and I was at that moment I was among them. So,
Good. Good. So Aditi, what do you think? Let's change the question. I mean, if you have to say something about your peculiar moment, I mean, what do you think is the most important thing which you suggest to our students that they should follow?
So
for
I think
preparation?
that the most important thing one should pursue is technical skill and the communication skill. Both plays a vital role for your overall development. So basically, the candidate is judged by his overall personality, his attitude, what he's having at that moment. He's overall judged through that only. So definitely, the college has helped me to the various stages, and they have guided me to pursue this.
So Fateh, do you have to say something regarding this? Do you agree with the?
Yes, sir, surely. For me, what was more important is your soft skill. Because no one is there to teach you out how to carry yourself. If you are part of this institution, especially this engineering college, you will be okay with 50% technical knowledge. It will be imposed to you, whether you try to catch it out or you less it out. You will be imposed directly and indirectly by the professor, teachers, associate lecturers, whatever is there. You will be imposed. You will be given the technical knowledge. Where we lag behind is the way to carry ourselves. So what to me is more important is that we should focus on that, how to carry ourselves, the soft skill, communication skill, presentation skill, the skill to how we talk to someone, the convenience part, eye capturing part. So everything is basically what I found is that in my learning throughout, every this soft skill is also based on a formula stack. Everything is having some logic, some tricks. That tricks should be cashed up, some logic should be made, that will be most important.
Fateh, don't you think it's about alluring a stranger? An HR is a stranger.
Yes, so
right?
basically that
And
is.
definitely what you have to do is that you showcase yourself in a 5 minutes time or 10 minutes time, that you are showing your best, right? And what is that best?
So the best is the skill that is within us. And that is, I would illustrate with example. For example, if you have to purchase something, a shoes only. Our shoes of Adidas and Pumas are more famous. Why? They are being sold in showrooms, highly maintained showrooms within the lights, captures, cameras, and that interacts the customer, attracts.
Pallav, what do you have to say about the same?
Sir, I agree with Fateh and Aditi that the technical skills and soft skills are very important in the interviews, in the companies, and
Yes, sir. According to me, soft skills and communication skills and technical skills are more important for any job.
According to me, both technical and soft skills are important for getting a job. But in the case of technical knowledge, college and coaching were provided it in a lot of amount. But in the case of soft skills, there are no way of, there is no medium how we could learn to soft skills. So we need to focus on a soft skills.
Okay, candidates seated this side, I'd like to ask you a question. I mean, like, is there a formula of success?
No, sir, there isn't a formula of success, but we can get success not only by hard work but also by smart work. Smart work is more important than hard work. Like we must know that what points we have to conclude and what points we need to know to get success.
What are the parameters of a smart work?
So first we should know that what points we have to gain or we have to achieve, and then after we have to see about the time management as well. That within the time given time we have to complete that particular portion of the work, and after that we'll need a point of goal that this goal must be achieved by us in a certain amount of time.
Purnima,
Yes, sir.
would you like to come up with a formula? The success mantra of, I mean, like, since you have achieved so many feathers in your cap, right? So the question definitely is targeted to you. What do you think is the success mantra?
So it's not a one-night success, obviously, and like she mentioned that the smart work and hard work, like, they go hand in hand. Also the time management and everything, But I have realized this thing that if you have a goal, it could be long term, short term. You gotta break that goal into chunks in order to achieve that. So that thing plays a role as well. And yeah, smart work.
Yeah, you mentioned about the chunks.
Yes, sir.
So can you please name them?
So chunks as in like you get placed in the companies get recruit you by the time when you enter in 7th sem. Since third year, you have to set this goal that like aptitude, reasoning, comp skills. These are not like you cannot learn it in one day itself. You need to practice every day and communicate with your friends in English and everything. So it's not a one day thing. So you have to achieve it in a way that yes, I have to communicate with friends in English and I have to practice daily reasoning and everything. So yeah, it won't like.
Do you have to say something about this?
Basically, I agree with Tanushree and Purnima. Smart work must be done as we can focus on the basic things which are needed, which are required for the company they are pursuing for us. That's all.
Isn't it about showcasing your talent?
It's all about showcasing your talent. I hope you agree. So what was it? I mean, were you not showing your skills? Okay, look at me, look at me, look at me. Yeah.
So that happened.
I would like to hear something apart from the regular thing. You know? Yeah, that different, unique thing. Whatever happened, what clicked? Right.
The first question which people ask in interview is that tell me something about yourself. By that they're not interested in knowing what is your name and everything. That is something very trivial. You have to focus how come you're different from other people and how you can like be an asset to the company. So you have to portray yourself in a way that you're selling yourself to the company. So yeah.
Like you said something?
So basically, the point is we have to showcase ourselves in front of the HRs or TRs, whoever is taking the interview, and we have to show that what skills we are possessing and how we will convey our skills to the company that it would be an asset to the company.
Okay. Yeah. Core competencies. If we talk about what are your core competencies? There must be something different, no? Which makes you separate from the crowd.
I started a work in this field before 2 or 3 years. I also work as a freelancer, so I know about how to work with an organization or an industry. So I have basic and maybe better knowledge of any other who sitting are here in the comparison of web development and the software. So sir, this is the best part of.
Aditi, would like to add something to it?
Yes, sir, definitely. Sir, I think that I have core competencies like I have a very good academics. This also plays a very vital role for the placement. So basically what the interviewer seeks is I'll prove to be a valuable asset to this organization or not. If I'm proving that I'll be a valuable asset, then definitely it will help me to get the job. So they consider the one with a good academics and with a good form skills. If you have that, they will definitely recruit you. So, core competencies should include your academics, your technical knowledge, your interpersonal skills, and so on. So,
Finally, anything good? How should we sum up this round today? Varija would like to say something. She wants to say something. Priyanka wants to say something.
Sir, as Purnima and Tanushree told about the smart work, so I may differentiate them into 5 small chunks that an interviewer always focused on. The smart word can be accessed as S for specific, M for manageable, A for achievable, R for realistic, and T for time bound. And a person who is getting through the interview phase must focus on the points like he or she must be very specific about whatever they are presenting in front of the interviewer.
I have a question from you. Well, don't you think each round is a specific round?
Yes, sir.
I mean, it's a situation based round.
Yes.
So can you really have a success mantra or a formula to achieve a goal?
So, the term that I use specific is that whatever we present in front of the interviewer in the form of the written skills or the soft skills and all. So there our knowledge should be presented in a very specific, the words that are really needed there, only those parts should be mentioned. Then I'm telling you about the manageable. The person should be very much manageable in themselves, that they can show the interviewer that yes, I can manage myself in whatever situations are provided. I should be achievable in the circumstances, how I can work. I should be very realistic. The facts or whatever the situations they carry on or whatever goals they set up, that should be very realistic based on practical knowledge. And the last one is the time bound thing, that is definitely the time management.
I think time is not the last one, it should be the first one, right?
Yes.
So, yeah, definitely I would like Varija to sum up the session so that further.
The first thing I would like to mention is that success not just accidentally happen. You have to work for it and you have to work very hard for it. The mantra to success will be that you have to continuously work towards your goal and keep your goal in mind, that what you will be, just keep thinking that what your future will be if you achieve that goal. Okay, what type of luxury or what type of life you will be living, and just a small moment of hard work can give you lifelong of happiness.
Good. So, with this, I would like to thank Varija, Priyanka, Aditi, Fateh, Pallav, Sagar, Pallav, Tanushri, Purnima, Vartika for this wonderful achievement they have made, and we wish him for all the luck for the future ahead, and ensure that you'll be keeping in touch.
Thank you, sir.
Right? Yeah.
Thank you.
And definitely the message percolates to the juniors and definitely to your branch mates. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Now, इसको आगे समझ